Hi, today we have a brand new special edition keyboard for all the Genshin Impact fans out there. Meet the Logitech G515 LIGHTSPEED TKL Kamisato Ayaka edition. So let's unbox and take a look at how to set it up. In the box, you get the keyboard with a LIGHTSPEED dongle at the back, a USB-A to C cable, a USB adapter, and some user documentation. There are 3 ways to connect your keyboard for maximum flexibility. The first one is via LIGHTSPEED. Remove the dongle from the back of your keyboard and plug it into your computer. Use the provided USB adapter along with the USB cable to connect the dongle if your computer is not near the connection range. Now turn on your keyboard and click on the LIGHTSPEED button and your keyboard will automatically connect with the LIGHTSPEED dongle. The second method is via Bluetooth. First, turn on your keyboard and press the Bluetooth button. On your computer, go to your Bluetooth settings and click on Add Devices and select your G515 keyboard. Type the code shown on the screen and press Enter. You have now successfully connected your keyboard to your computer via Bluetooth. The final method is the USB wired mode. Connect the USB-C end of the provided cable to your keyboard and the USB-A part to your computer. Now turn on your keyboard and that's it. Your keyboard is now connected to the computer via the provided USB cable. If you have any other questions or for more information, visit our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.